Hi, this is the unboxing and demo of portable projector with 4K 1080p support. Auto Keystone 180 degrees rotatable. Compatible with HDMI, USB, PC and Android or iOS phone. This compact projector shares several defining traits. 4K support. Not native 4K. They accept 4K input but downscale to 1080p or 720p depending on the model. It has auto keystone correction which automatically straightens the image when the projector isn't perfectly aligned. Also it has rotatable stand, 180 degrees minus 270 degrees, that lets you project onto walls, ceilings, or angled surfaces without extra mounts. It has smart features, varies that include Android TV 11, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and built-in apps. The portable form factor. This projector is designed for casual home use, travel, or outdoor movie nights. Here are the pros of this projector. Very flexible placement thanks to the rotating hinge. It has built-in Smart OS which means no external streaming stick needed. However, I would strongly recommend to use one as it makes it safer and friendlier to use. It is very good for casual indoor or outdoor use. It is, however, very cheap. The cons are, not true 1080p despite 4K support. The image is not very sharp. The brightness is modest, which makes it not ideal for daylight viewing. And the speakers are serviceable but not strong. However, you may connect to an external speaker either by Bluetooth with some lag, or with a cable from with sound out socket. I bought this projector to experiment watching movies on a larger surface, and this gave us the opportunity to move around the house and to use on the ceilings as well as the walls. I am so impressed with this product. This is exactly what I wanted. It's extremely easy to set up. We are using mainly Disney and YouTube from the Amazon Fire Stick. The fan is not noisy. I'm really happy with this purchase and would definitely recommend for a cheap projector that you may also use for your PC or even for a golf simulator. Hope you liked this video. Have a nice day.
Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 Apple product related videos. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, sharing and liking.